Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMT Traders channel. So we're looking at gold here. So this one has been quite, a bit of a tricky one, what we saw from last week. We've had this huge bearish pressure in the market. Now this is very big, right? So I'm trying to think of this in a retail perspective, and try and manipulate this as much as I can and give you as much insight as possible. So what I'm looking at for this is a bullish move, and what we spoke about last week prior to this drop was priced to reach into around 1980 to roughly 1990. Reason for that is because if we take this whole move on a whole, like if we take a Fibonacci and pull the retracement in, I want price to come into the 618 golden pocket as they call it. I don't really call it that too much, but I just want to see price come into that just because just to formulate this correction phase. And there's a strong bearish move, collection of orders, drop, and again this ongoing up and down move motion. Now I've got some biases and some invalidation levels that I want to clear up first as well. So this bullish move and idea will only remain valid as long as we stay above this low and this low here. So I'm really using this zone. So if we go below 1840, we have to re-look at this pair, and I'll have to come up with a conclusion that we are pushing lower. But I am looking at and I did update this actually in the Telegram group, that we could have, as long as price stays below this zone here, we could, still push further higher. So I'm looking for price to retrace all of this strong move to the downside. I think price can actually take out this high and even step into 1990 and even push a little bit higher. But yeah, if we do get to this point, I'm going to be then looking for that sign of weakness for it to drop back into and to then take out this low. So 1840 is the kind of desired place to next take out the stops. So again, this is more of thinking as a bit of a as an institutional bank level, as opposed to rather than as opposed to just looking at structure. We've broken this low, we can see that we've got possibly pushing potentially even lower, etc. So I'm going to keep an eye out for this long-term move to the upside. That's what I suggest to look for. And of course, if we do break below 1840, consider that all bullish moves to the upside is invalid, and we'll come back again with another updated video for you guys. So that's all I wanted to cover for this video for gold for this week. I hope it does obviously bring some value. If you are new to this channel or you're a new trader, we do have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description, so it just gives you an up-to-date bias on all of our pairs if we do need to update certain things. So a prime example of this week for gold, was this adjustment here. We were looking for price to reach into 1990 last week or 1980, but obviously we had that massive drop, hence why we didn't get that fulfillment. So yeah, we did a little update there in the group chat. So yeah, if you want to go check that out, feel free to join. And of course, if you do have any other questions, I'm more than happy to help anyone. Just just send me a message on Instagram or Telegram, and I'm more than happy to help anyone. So thank you very much for listening, guys. Make sure you're subscribed, and see you guys all in the next one.